What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an ebook in Canva. Now once you're inside your Canva account, all you have to do is use the search and type in ebook, and you will see it start to populate and it will show you ebook templates. You can go ahead and you can click on that, and here you will find multiple templates. Now it is important to decide if you're going to use the premium ones, which you'll need to have Canva Pro, and you also need to look out for pages or templates that has one or more than one template pages. And you also have to look out for pages that is only covers, and you simply want to look for pages that has not just the cover page but has inside pages as well. So if you're using Canva Pro, then you just don't need to really worry. You can choose those templates that has the crown, or if you have the free account, you can choose one that is not from the pro. Like for example, this one that I'm hovering over, it has inside pages and it is free to use. So in this case, I'm on the free plan. I'm going to click on this option here and go ahead and click and customize this template. No, and this is absolutely for free. So if you're using the free version of Canva, you can easily create an ebook with the free version of Canva and export. Now, I want to mention that if you're new to Canva, I just want to say that every single thing within the design, you're able to change, modify colors, shapes, add, remove. You can customize it, right? So, and it's very easy to do. And if you're experienced with Canva, then you know that you can basically click on anything, any text, any icon, any shape, and you can change whatever you want, right? So if you even want to add new shapes, on the left hand side you have elements. You can click on that and you can just basically choose whatever you want. You can search whatever you want, and you can just start to explore and find new things. So if I want to add something with hearts, I can go ahead and I can type in hearts, search, and from here it will show me shapes, it will show me graphics, pictures, frames, all of those good stuff, and I can easily go ahead and add whatever it is that I want to add to the design. It is super easy to do. Now guys, I want to also say that if you're in your design and you want to add like a new page, it is super easy to do. You can find a page and you can hover over it at the top. You will see the options here. You can duplicate a page. You can even add a new page, and it's going to create with the color from the template. And on any page that you are, if you find any design or any text, you can go ahead and you can add it. So let's say on this page I want to add the text, and I want to add, for example, the bottom like this. I can highlight whatever I want from this page, Control C, and then go to my new page, Control V there, and you see that you added that there. Anything you want. So if you want to even add this, you can do the same, or if you want to go to a different page, for example, you can do the same, copy whatever, go back to your new page, and basically make it the way you want. And that's super easy to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. So it doesn't matter what you want to do, you can always go ahead and do that, change it to whatever you want, your own style, etc. You can basically copy, paste, edit, delete. It's really up to you guys. Now in terms of links, if you want to add, like for example, a link, it is super easy to do. So let's say at the bottom you want to add a link to your website, you can do that. So you can see, for example, here this could be a link. I can click on it, and then on the upper right hand side of this option here, click three dots, and you have the option to add in links. So scroll down, find link, add link, and you can type whatever you want. I can type in google.com as an example, and just go ahead and just click and done, and it's going to add google.com as a link. And once you save your PDF ebook, then once they're going through it, they'll be able to click on this and it will take them over to the website. Now, let's say you're done, everything is amazing, you have edited your ebook, you have added your pages, everything is ready to go. How do you get this as your PDF ebook? Click share on the upper right hand side, then go ahead and click on download and switch this file type from PNG to PDF standard. Once you click on that, you want to ensure that all of your pages are selected, and just go ahead and click and download. Then from here you will see, in case you have anything that is in this case, you can see that I had this one element which is a pro. I'm going to just simply remove it and show you that I can save it, Now, once you're finished with your with your ebook, guys, all you have to do in order to save this as a PDF, simply click and share on the upper right hand side, click and download, and you want to ensure that you change the file type from PNG to PDF standard, and ensure all pages are selected, and just simply click and download. And as you can see right here, it is currently downloading the ebook. As I said, you can do this for absolutely free. And as you see, I'm on a free account here and I can do it. And I can do so much more as well if I have a paid account. Now let me just open up my download folder here. And as you can see here, I'm in my download folder and this is the PDF ebook, right? So as you can see, I can open it. I have my ebook and that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And that's how you go ahead and create an ebook in Canva. Absolutely free.